Hello everyone, Akwaba. My name is Christian Atsu and I need your help. I'm working with the amazing charity Arms Around the Child to help build a new school in Senyabreku in Ghana. This school will provide education to over 300 underprivileged and orphan children. So far, we've managed to raise enough to buy the land and start the build. But we need help to finish the project so that children get the education they deserve. Having grown up in Ghana, I know that education is vital to break the cycle of poverty.
Tina bunny way we do cat kind work nyota meng miela leng tong mon ke pia me anke bang il chi malo twal chi kanje kuja pamir chada pamir lok kamar romano e gulo town kabala chene mana ke kelo week for my teen wa make up to make a chillo rap loka